Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join almost 20,000 of us over here, okay? I'm showing you how I achieved these no heat curls on my natural hair. It was super easy. We just let them sit overnight. If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, we need to go ahead and tackle this hair. This is what she's looking like. If you want to know how I blow out my hair, how I do just my blow dry routine on type 4 natural hair, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell because that is going to be in the next video that I post. Now I am going to go ahead and just make sure that our hair is smoothed out. And we are going to use a little bit of product. So I'm going to go in with this twisting souffle and just rake it down my hair so we have some type of, you know, product on it, hold on it. And then I am going to take a little extra for the ends because, you know, Bantu knots, the most important part are the ends. And now I'm going to start twisting. And essentially you're going to hold just to make sure that you're keeping the roots taut, but also you're not adding a whole bunch of extra tension. And then I'm going to go ahead and let the Bantu knot twist on itself. Okay, so I'll loop it like this. And I actually start from the top of the Bantu knot and work my way down. And before you wrap those ends, take a little extra product. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that on this other side here. Go ahead and smooth the hair. And those are our Bantu knots. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue that process.
Two out the door, then you have magic.
Okay, last Bantu knot. This one's a little chunky. Yeah, it's a little chunky, but that's okay. And voila, we have our Bantu knots. Oh, that's unraveling. Okay, so here are our Bantu knots. And I'm really excited to see how these turn out. Underneath this bonnet, I have my Bantu knots that we went ahead and installed. So let's go ahead and take this off and reveal our cute little Bantu knots. I am gonna put a little bit of this melanin hair care oil on my hands just so I'm not creating any extra frizz. Let's go ahead and take out the rest of these Bantu knots. Now I am carefully unraveling the end and then just pulling. Cute! so curly, so springy. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and start picking them apart. I'm gonna start pulling apart at the root just to make sure the ends of my hair stay as defined as possible. So I'll start in the back. And I'm just gonna kind of run my thumb through the curl. Be careful, when I pulled this apart, I was not looking at all. I was actually in La La Land, so I don't really know how that just turned out. So be careful when you're pulling your Bantu knots apart. Try to do it as intentionally as possible. Alright y'all, so what do y'all think of our results? Mind you, I did not use a holding product, so we have really nice movement. Honestly, I think I'll love it even more when it gets even bigger. Well, let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Are y'all feeling the side part or the middle part that I heard earlier? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people. Remember, I have more videos coming to you leading up to my birthday, which is March 9th, okay? So make sure you're tuned in, hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye.